farming isn't just a business, it's a way of life. And at the Agromart Group, we get that. We believe in joint venture, shared ownership, meaning we work and grow with you, our customers. It's all about local ownership and the sense of community, backed up by global buying power, in order to have the crop inputs you need at competitive prices, and access to state-of-the-art equipment, as well as unparalleled storage capacity and infrastructure. We're made up of over 20 locally owned agricultural retail businesses across Eastern Canada, understanding your agricultural needs and local opinions. When you have questions, we have answers. You'll talk directly with someone who is as committed to the success of your crop as you are, helping you every step of the way, because it's the people that matter. The Agromart Group. We're your crop production partners. Learn more at fields2forks.ca.